I think there is a difference between how we approach the flipping. In the first method, I guess we are taking all the columns. So uh, the first row with all its column would be stored in this variable and then it is flipped. So we are not iterating through the column, because if when we take pixel r, or when we take only the first element in a 2D matrix, it will automatically store it as um, uh, an array, a long array with all the values of the column. So we can do the second method exactly same by using this method, but flipping over here we are flipping over the rows, there we are flipping over the columns. So my guess is that the second loop is irrelevant. So the second code is a long one. We can do the same as we do the first one by iterating from the column and taking all rows, and we don't need to iterate each one of them. So this step of iterating through uh, the different rows, I think that is unnecessary. We can just iterate through the columns and swap one column from the other. So if I see this on a paint, and if I have this image, I can get the first column as the last column, and I can iterate over the rows. So I can take this whole thing and bring it down. I don't need to iterate one by one element. So in the two methods, one uses like element by element, so we are going to count through all the columns, bring it down the first, and the second would take the whole row and bring the whole block of row down. So it will replace a 1D array from top to bottom or left to right. So this is my guess that both of them are right. The first one is more efficient and the second one is more longer, although both should give you the same result.